Have you ever pulled a frozen pizza from your freezer and wondered how it made its way there, perfectly preserved and ready to bake? It might seem like magic, but the real answer is something even more impressive: automation. Inside enormous factories, a symphony of robots and machines work seamlessly together, producing thousands upon thousands of pizzas every single day, with astonishing speed and precision. Automation is the true secret ingredient behind your favorite frozen meal. It guarantees that every crust is pressed to the perfect thickness, every pizza receives just the right amount of sauce, cheese, and toppings, and every box looks exactly the same no matter where you buy it. Making a single pizza at home can be a fun and creative process, but imagine trying to make 10,000 pizzas in a single day. That's a challenge only machines can handle, and they do it with remarkable consistency. These mega factories operate around the clock, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, churning out pizzas with mind-boggling efficiency to keep up with the world's appetite. Without this level of automation, it would be impossible to meet the massive demand for frozen pizzas in grocery stores everywhere. The machines never get tired, never need a break, and always deliver pizzas that meet strict quality standards, ensuring every bite is as good as the last. So let's pull back the curtain and follow the incredible journey of a pizza, from simple ingredients like flour and water, all the way to the finished boxed product you find in your freezer. We'll witness the amazing machines that mix, knead, press, top, bake, and freeze pizzas at lightning speed, transforming raw ingredients into a delicious meal in just minutes. It's a process that combines cutting-edge science, advanced engineering, and a dash of creativity, resulting in something truly fascinating. Get ready to experience automation on a scale you've never seen before, where technology and food come together in perfect harmony. This is the story of how your favorite frozen meal is made possible, from the factory floor to your kitchen table. So, let's dive into the fascinating world of frozen pizza mega factories. The adventure is about to begin. Let's get started. Every pizza starts with dough, the humble foundation of every great slice. But in the world of frozen pizza, this isn't just any dough, it's crafted on a massive scale with precision and care. In a bustling factory, that means relying on powerful industrial mixers, machines designed to handle enormous quantities. These stainless steel giants can mix thousands of pounds of dough at once, their powerful motors churning and spinning with relentless energy. Ingredients like flour, water, yeast, and oil are piped in automatically, each measured to the exact gram. There's no guesswork here, just pure scientific precision. A computer system oversees the entire process, controlling the recipe and mixing times, ensuring every single batch is perfectly consistent no matter the day or shift. The mixer's spiral hook kneads the dough with immense force, developing the ideal texture and elasticity needed for a perfect pizza base. Throughout the process, no human hands ever touch the dough. Hygiene and safety are top priorities, with workers monitoring everything from behind glass. After each batch, automated cleaning systems spring into action, spraying powerful jets to keep the mixer spotless and ready for the next round. Once the dough is perfectly mixed, it's tipped out onto a conveyor belt, beginning its journey down the production line. These machines work in perfect harmony, doing the job of hundreds of people, and they never tire or make mistakes. The dough's journey truly begins here, in the powerful embrace of automation, where technology and tradition meet. Consistency is king in pizza making, and these mixers are the true guardians of quality, ensuring every batch meets the highest standards. Once mixed, the dough moves on, ready to be divided, shaped, and transformed into the pizzas we all love. This is the first crucial step in creating the perfect frozen pizza, setting the stage for everything that follows. Without this level of precision and care, nothing else in the process would matter. It all starts here. The magic of pizza begins with the mighty dough mixer, where science, engineering, and a little bit of artistry come together to create something truly special. The dough can't just sit, it's on the move, embarking on a carefully orchestrated journey through the heart of the factory. Conveyor belts transport the dough through every stage, gently and efficiently, ensuring that each piece is handled with precision and care. First stop, the dough divider, where massive dough balls are cut and weighed for perfect portions. This step is crucial for consistency, making sure every pizza starts with the same foundation. Each piece is identical, thanks to automated scales that leave no room for error, guaranteeing uniformity in every batch. The dough balls ride conveyors through proofing chambers, controlled environments where they rise just right, developing the perfect texture and flavor. Timing is everything, and automation ensures every batch is perfect. Robotic arms and synchronized machinery keep the process moving smoothly, never missing a beat. After proofing, the dough is dusted with flour and sent to be shaped. This light coating prevents sticking and prepares the dough for the next transformation. Every detail from belt speed to temperature is computer controlled. Operators monitor the process, making real-time adjustments to maintain quality and efficiency. The system is efficient and gentle, preserving the dough's delicate structure. Even the softest dough is handled with care, so nothing is compromised. There are no bottlenecks, just a continuous flow of dough moving seamlessly from one stage to the next, maximizing productivity. This seamless movement is what makes mass production possible, allowing thousands of pizza bases to be made every day. As soon as one batch is ready, it moves on, making way for the next. The process never stops, keeping up with high demand. It's a perfectly choreographed dance of machinery, with every part working in harmony to create a flawless product. The journey from dough to pizza base is a marvel of automation, blending technology and tradition in every step. Next stop, shaping the perfect crust, where rollers and machines give each pizza its signature look, ready for the next delicious stage. Now it's time to shape the dough into that classic pizza circle. Factories use two main methods: pressing and sheeting. In hot pressing, a heated plate flattens each dough ball in seconds, partially baking the surface for a sturdy crust. This creates a uniform, slightly raised edge, perfect for holding toppings. The process is fast, precise, and fully automated. The other method is sheeting. A continuous dough sheet is rolled out and cut into circles. Giant rollers thin the dough, and cutters punch out perfect bases. Leftover dough is recycled back into the process, no waste. Both methods are controlled by computers for exact thickness and texture. The result? Consistent, high-quality pizza bases every time. Whether pressed or sheeted, the dough is now ready for toppings. Automation ensures every base is flawless. The transformation from dough ball to pizza base happens in seconds. Efficiency and precision are the name of the game. Next, the real fun begins: toppings. Toppings turn a plain crust into a pizza masterpiece. First, sauce is dispensed by nozzles, spread evenly by spinning heads. No mess, no waste. Cheese falls like a curtain from automated applicators, covering each pizza perfectly. Pepperoni, sausage, and veggies are dropped with pinpoint accuracy by targeted machines. Each pizza gets exactly the right ingredients in the right amounts. The process is fast, clean, and consistent, no human hands needed. The central computer coordinates every step, ensuring the right toppings for each pizza type. Food safety is built in, less human contact means less risk. Ingredient amounts are precise, matching what's on the box. The transformation from bare crust to fully loaded pizza takes just minutes. Automation guarantees every pizza is as good as the last. It's a high-tech ballet of sauce, cheese, and toppings. The result? A pizza ready for freezing with every bite accounted for, consistency and quality every time. Next, it's time to lock in the freshness.
Shall we begin?
Now the most critical step, freezing. Slow freezing ruins texture, so factories use flash freezing. Pizzas travel into spiral freezers or cryogenic tunnels, blasted with extreme cold. Spiral freezers use long, winding conveyors in compact spaces. Cryogenic tunnels spray liquid nitrogen or carbon dioxide for instant freezing. This rapid process creates tiny ice crystals, preserving texture and flavor. Pizzas are frozen solid in minutes, not hours. The result? A pizza that tastes fresh when baked at home. Flash freezing gives frozen pizza its long shelf life. The crust stays crisp, cheese melts perfectly, and toppings keep their bite. Without this technology, high-quality frozen pizza wouldn't exist. It's the bridge between factory and your oven. Automation ensures every pizza is frozen at the peak of freshness. The journey from assembly line to freezer is complete. Next up, packaging for the world. Some pizzas get an extra step: pre-cooking. Conveyor ovens partially bake the pizza, setting the crust and melting cheese just enough. This step is key for rising crusts and oven-ready styles. The process is tightly controlled for time and temperature. Pre-cooking activates yeast, cooks raw toppings, and keeps everything together. After baking, pizzas go straight to flash freezing, locking in that just-baked texture. Automation allows for endless pizza styles, all at massive scale. It's another way factories deliver variety and quality. The pizza's last stop, packaging. Frozen pizzas move to the wrapping station where machines shrink wrap them in airtight plastic. This protects against freezer burn and contamination. Robotic arms place pizzas into boxes, which are assembled and glued by machines in seconds. Every step is synchronized for speed and precision. Boxes are sealed, date-coded, and ready for shipping. Automated stackers arrange boxes on pallets, wrapped for transport. Pallets are moved to massive freezer warehouses by robots or forklifts. The entire process, from wrapping to palletizing, is lightning fast. Thousands of pizzas are boxed every hour, far beyond human capability. Automation ensures safety, consistency, and efficiency. The journey from dough to boxed pizza is nearly complete. Soon these pizzas will be shipped to stores and homes everywhere. The final flurry of automation makes it all possible. Your frozen pizza is ready for its next adventure. From flour to frozen box, the journey of a factory pizza is a marvel of automation. Every step, mixing, shaping, topping, freezing, and packing, relies on machines for speed and precision. Automation brings consistency, safety, and affordability to your table. It's the reason you can count on your favorite pizza tasting the same every time. These high-tech factories are the unsung heroes of modern food. The same principles make everything from cookies to vegetables possible. Next time you bake a frozen pizza, remember the incredible journey it took. Behind every bite is a world of engineering and innovation. We've learned to harness machines to make life easier and tastier. It's a story of ingenuity, efficiency, and delicious results. The frozen pizza aisle is a modern food miracle, and that's something worth celebrating.